Okay, let's have the last part of our lesson 1 for this unit 2. So, as I said, no, we have this what you call the linked genes. Kumbaga, may mga genes kita or mga traits na napapass through from one parent generation or filial generation to the next generation by which it is being inherited together because they are linked or are together in the same chromosomes. Thus, the large number of purple long and round sweet pea plants produced by Battenson's and Pannett's experiment is attributed to what you call the linked genes. Unlike sa study ni Mendel that the alleles have what they call assortment, kumbaga may separation sila during some process. But on the case of the study of Batteson's and Panett experiment, sa ilang experiment, it is revealed that these traits or there are traits that are linked or are together in the same chromosomes. Therefore, they are inherited together or being passed through to the next generation. So that ends our lesson for the lesson 1. And as a summary of the whole lesson, we have to remember that humans have 46 chromosomes, by which 44 of these chromosomes are called autosomes or body chromosomes, and the two are what you call the sex chromosome. Amo na sila ang 23rd pair ang nag-determine sa magiging gender or sex sang isa ka resulting offspring. So in chromosomes occur in pair. Chromosomes with the same size, shape, and bonding patterns and carry the same genes are called homologous chromosomes. So ang chromosomes kuno nga may pareho sang size, sang shape kag bonding patterns kag naga-carry sang the same nga genes ginatawag ina siya nga homologous chromosomes. While genes are carriers of hereditary information. So they are just portions of what we call DNA molecule. So ang aton nga carrier of information is the genes. Amo siya ang nag-carry sang hereditary information which they are part or portions of our DNA. Genes occur in pair and they occupy the same loci in the homologous chromosomes. We have alleles, no? Two pairs of alleles, no? Of a gene that occupy in the same loci or locus in a homologous chromosome. So also, remember that the pair of genes carries the same traits, but the characteristics are not identical. They carry the same traits, ang pair of genes, but the characteristics are not identical. For example, atong kagina sa color of the eyes, no? Or the color, for example, ito gina ang the color of the flower, the purple flower, allele for the purple flower, and allele for the white flower. Lastly, we have what you call the linked genes. So these are genes located on the same chromosomes and tend to be inherited together. Amo na siya itawag nga linked genes. So they are binded or inherited. So they did not undergo what they call assortment, no, of or separation of traits during the process. So this is what we call the linked genes. So that concludes our first lesson for the unit 2. Okay? So try to answer the given activities from our primer or the primer activities, no, on the first page of your handouts. And if possible, you could write it in your notebook for your reference later on. Okay? So see you on our lesson 2 of our topic for the unit 2. God bless and thank you for listening.